Alhamdulillah. Today I'm gonna show you about my room 707. It's in the 7th floor. So let's go inside. So this is my room, and here you can see this is my one room, and that's my another room of my brother. So this is the living room, and that's the kitchen over there. We just have the 2 bathrooms here, and this is, you can see that these are the prize I get in a lot of competitions I have participated in China, and there are some more which I didn't put in here, right? So you can see in here, and this is the painting. This is the painting I made myself. So you can see here, or a thoda wall design, this is all stuff. And now let's go inside my first room, right? So although I'm just going back to home, so I actually have cleaned everything over here. So just 2 simple beds over here, nothing more. And there's one cupboard, and there's like treadmill, guitar, and there's this print machine here, printer over here. Go to my another room, so you can see here I study, and these are my books over here, and this is my laptop, and where I just work and do other stuff. And you can see here some pictures over here, and just have 2 cupboards over here. And this is my second room. Okay, let's go back to my kitchen, and this is my kitchen over here. Not too good, it's okay, but it's kind of okay.